Hello peeps, today we'll take a look at the best camera phone in the market. I made this list based on my favorite, and I'm trying to help you find the right one for your needs. To see the up-to-date prices and more information about these excellent items, you can check out the link in the description below. Best overall, Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra. The latest Galaxy flagship's 4-camera system is top-notch, featuring wide, ultra-wide, telephoto, and super zoom sensors. The first of these boasts a 10-megapixel sensor with an f/1.8 aperture, dual-pixel autofocus, and an 85-degree field of view. The 12-megapixel ultra-wide camera features an f/2.2 aperture and a 120-degree field of view. There's also one 10-megapixel telephoto with an equivalent 3x zoom and another 10-megapixel telephoto with a 10x zoom. And that's not to mention the selfie camera, with its 40-megapixel resolution, f/2.2 aperture, and 8K video capture at 24 frames per second. More broadly, this is a large, stylish, and powerful smartphone. Its 6.8-inch AMOLED screen is to die for smooth motion, vivid colors, impressive brightness, and 500 pixels per inch resolution. The S Pen stylus is brilliant and gives you the kind of productivity you previously only got with a Galaxy Note. There's a powerful 5000 mAh battery to keep it going for hours, and the design and look of the phone is simple, but to our eyes, it is very stylish. Best for video, iPhone 13 Pro Max. This is the biggest and best of Apple's new generation iPhones, with the same cameras and tech as the iPhone 13 Pro, but with a bigger screen. The Pro Max also boasts a slightly longer battery life of up to 28 hours video playback versus up to 22 hours on the smaller 13 Pro. It might be tempting to pick the Pro Max over the regular Pro model to get the best of everything. The regular Pro costs enough, so why not take the last step and get the bigger screen? Well, some may find it simply too big to be comfortable to use every day. There's no doubt the iPhone 13 Pro Max is a truly stunning camera phone, whether you shoot stills or video. However, the regular iPhone 13 Pro boasts the same photographic performance in a more ergonomic package, hence why it's higher up this list. New kid on the block, Google Pixel 6 Pro. Google's first flagship in years has a lot to prove. The Pixel 5 was great, but definitely wasn't a top-end smartphone, and the Pixel 4 missed the mark for us, with rehashed camera hardware and overheating internals. With the Pixel 6 Pro, Google hits the target. Its triple rear-facing camera system has had a full hardware refresh. The main camera features a 50-megapixel 1/1.31 sensor with 1.2 micron pixels, omnidirectional phase detection autofocus, laser autofocus, and OIS. There's also a 12-megapixel, 17mm ultra-wide camera module for a broader perspective. But arguably, the most impressive camera in the Pixel 6 Pro is its new periscope zoom camera, utilizing a 48-megapixel sensor with an f/3.5 aperture, 104mm lens. The telephoto module gives you roughly 4x zoom. The sensor itself is tiny, at 1/2 an inch, but thanks to Google's software know-how matched with OIS, it's still a cracking addition to the handset, and makes the 6 Pro worth choosing over the regular Pixel 6. While Google's Tensor chipset gets hot on the first setup, and with intense gaming day-to-day, we found everything from performance to photography impressive on Google's top-tier flagship. A hands-down win for Google. Best for professionals, Sony Xperia 1 III. This is the only choice for video pros and cinema buffs who want to get a manual with their smartphone videography. It can shoot footage at up to 21:9 for cinema-style capture, offers complete manual control, and features a beautiful flat color profile, perfect for post-processing in Premiere Pro or DaVinci Resolve. Thankfully, almost everything else about this phone is excellent too, with a striking 21:9 4K HDR screen, a clean UI, and a snappy chipset ensuring plenty of power under the hood. Sony photography fans will also appreciate all the alpha elements that have made their way into the Xperia camera UI. If you want the ultimate cinema experience, both from content creation and a consumption point of view, the Xperia 1 III is it. Best for beginners, OnePlus 9 Pro. The result of a landmark partnership between OnePlus and Hasselblad, the OnePlus 9 Pro features a full range of fantastic photography-oriented specs, including a powerful rear quad camera with a 48-megapixel main lens, a 50-megapixel ultra-wide lens, 8-megapixel telephoto lens, and a 2-megapixel monochrome lens for better black and white shots. While the Samsung Galaxy S21 Plus tops our best camera phone buying guide, you might be interested to know that the OnePlus 9 Pro betters the S21 Plus when it comes to optical zoom. Meanwhile, the OnePlus 9 Pro also features 8K video recording and a 16-megapixel front-facing camera with decent performance. Hasselblad's influence mostly shows itself in the image processing and a fresh look for the camera interface, including a Pro mode for better manual photo capture.
Thanks for watching. If you liked what you saw, then hit the like button and subscribe to our channel if you loved it. Take a moment to hit the bell icon so you'll get notified of all our latest uploads.